back to Little Talks, Big Hearts. Do you know children learn more through play than you think?
That's right. I'm Jamie and I'm Drishti, where the conversations build
Big Hearts. Last week we talked about why comparing children can hurt their confidence.
Today we are talking about something every child loves.
Playtime.
Yes, but did you know playing is just fun? It's actually one of the healthiest things children can do.
Why is play so important? Drishti, have you ever heard someone say, "Stop playing, go study"?
Oh yes, most of the time from my dada. I think almost every child has heard that.
Parents only want the best for us. They want us to study well, get good marks, and have a bright future.
But here's something interesting. Playing is also preparing us for future, just in a different way.
We learn when we play football, we learn teamwork. When we ride a bicycle, we learn balance. Sometimes we even fall, but then get back up.
That's called resilience. It means never giving up. And that's an important life lesson.
Drishti, do you know what is my favorite activity after school?
Let me guess. Swimming?
Yes, I love swimming. In the water, I feel free. Every lap makes me feel stronger. And after swimming, I sleep and wake up feeling fresh.
And I really enjoy basketball. Some people think it's just about throwing the ball in the basket. But it's so much more than that. It teaches me teamwork, quick thinking, patience, and even how to keep trying after missing a shot.
That's right. In swimming, you're not racing against someone else every day. You're also learning to improve yourself little by little. It teaches discipline because every practice counts.
And basketball teaches something very important. You can't win all the game by yourself. You have to trust your teammates, encourage each other, celebrate together. Those are life lessons we carry everywhere.
Why swimming and basketball are great for grown kids? Did you know swimming is one of the few sports that works almost every major muscle in the body? It helps us build strength, improves heart and lung health, supports posture and is gentle on growing joints.
Basketball is amazing too. It improves balance, coordination, agility, strong bones, and keeps both body and brain active because you're always making great decisions.
When children are growing, especially during their puberty, these activities help them stay active, manage stress, and feel more confident in their own bodies.
And remember, you don't have to become a champion. You just have to enjoy moving your body and having fun. Let's visit our research corner. Did you know the World Health Organization recommends that children aged 5 to 17 should get at least 60 minutes of physical activity every day?
And the American Academy of Pediatrics say that play helps children build stronger brains, healthier emotions, and better friendships.
Research from the CDC also shows that children who stay active often have better focus in school, improved memory, and better emotional well-being.
So, playing isn't taking time away from learning. It actually helps children learn better. As children grow older, especially during puberty, their bodies and emotions change. Sometimes they feel happy, sometimes confused, sometimes stressed, and that's completely normal.
Daily exercise and outdoor play can help during this time. It can improve sleep, reduce stress, boost confidence, and give children more energy. It's story time. Yes, let me tell you a small story. There were two friends. One studied all day, other studied well, but also played football every evening. Years later, both became successful, but the second child was healthier, more confident, and knew how to work with others. Why? Because books teach knowledge, but play teaches life.
Parents, we know you want the very best for your children. But remember, marks are important, is important too, smiles are important, friendships are important, childhood is important too.
Childhood only filled with books are missing many memories,
Like children climb, run, laugh, play, and simply be children.
Encourage at least 1 hour of active play every day. Play together on weekends. Limit unnecessary screen time. Celebrate effort in sports, not just winning. Let children explore different games. Do not make every minute about studies.
That's right. What happens when children play regularly? Better health, better sleep, stronger bones and muscles, better concentration, more confidence, strong friendships.
And what if children never play? More screen time, less physical fitness, increased stress, poor social interaction, lower confidence, less joyful childhood memories.
Here's this week's Little Talks Big Hearts Challenge. Spend 30 to 60 minutes playing together as a family this week. It could be cricket, football, cycling, badminton, or even a simple evening walk.
That's right, no phones, just family, just fun, and lots of happy memories. A child who runs, laughs, falls, gets back up, and keeps playing isn't wasting time. They're building courage, confidence, good health, and a happy heart.
If you enjoyed today's conversation, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel because every little conversation builds a big heart. Life isn't measured by the marks we score, but by the love we share, the lessons we learn, and the memories we keep creating together. So keep talking, keep laughing, keep learning because every little talk builds a big heart.